What keeps your heart full?
The things I do today gives me purpose talaga. Ang ibibigay ni Lord, hindi cake. Ang ibibigay niya is flour, eggs, milk, pinch of salt, sugar. Yun ibibigay niya. It's really up to you kasi if you will just keep dreaming or you get up on your bed and fulfill the dream.
You should love yourself na mag-overflow ang love niya sa yourself so that you can love your God. You cannot give what you do not have.
God is always behind me.
That's it. That's
Lord?
it. Favorite color?
Blue.
Favorite Korean artist?
John Wonu.
So, ano?
Si Wonu talaga.
Favorite Filipino artist?
Tony Gonzaga.
Favorite cologne?
Yung kay Willie Revillame na isang set. Ano yun?
Kaya Willie, nadamay ka diri. Oo, sa'yo. Welcome and good day. Welcome to another episode of Ordinary Lives with G. And today, we have an incredible guest. Why? Nga nung incredible? Pwede naman siya special, pwede guwapo, pwede cutie, but for me, it is incredible. Why? Because for me, every time nga musulod siya ang room, he brings something light. Kada ganing naay tao nga literal nga, musulod nga light, dili nga ka nang pagmugawa siya, ay salamat nawala na siya. So, he's a good friend. And you know what? I think he's full and impact the grabe ang iyang talent. Pero feeling na ko, wala pag yun nakagawa sa iyang talent. Actually, I want to be his manager. Gusto na ko ni siya isulod sa bahay ni Kuya. Kahit bakit ana to siya kung unsag yun ang iyang talent. Guys, is the Mr. Literally Rams!
Hello! Hello! Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Sobrang thankful ako na I was able to be invited in one of the first episodes of The Ordinary Lives. Thank you, Ma'am G.
So it means you're special to us. Dili bitaw, Rams. You know, I always go amazed sa imuha. Like, this first nakita na ako ka and plus katong sa BYB. Pero before sa BYB, yun ka na ko. I like Rams. I really like Rams. So, actually, si UFD go, si Junjun.
Junjun.
But you know, very dear to us. Junjun, the Junjun of sa atong office. Well, anyway, Rams, gusto na ko, will you please introduce yourself the way your closest friends knew you?
Hello. Hello, I'm Rams. I am a creative, a witty individual, and as much as possible, always a battle. Every day, I want to be a good person.
Yeah.
Always dyan ako na siya ginalook forward. And work-wise, I work as an online teacher and also a full-time pa ba? Parang part-time siya, pero full-time effort. Part-time financial advisor in True Life UK.
I think there's no like part-time when you
Diba?
become a financial advisor.
Oo.
It is a full-time because you know, that's your driven purpose.
Totoo.
Mahang mission gid ba?
Ibibigay talaga ang buong puso.
This is a full Rams. Tama to ingon nimo, you're so witty, you're a creative person. And dili na ako malimtan ng literally.
Diba? Ato na i-remake by 1, 2, 3, go. Literally.
Sana. Well, creative ka nga tao. If ever na i-title sa imong life, right now, like at the present time, masa kay title sa imong life kung naging movie siya?
Imagine a black screen nga naay word na sukol. Pero ang word na suko is white.
White.
Ang
Tapos,
letter L is dark gray.
why?
Kaya gusto na ako i-highlight ang word na suko. Suko kasi in Tagalog is give
Surrender.
up. Surrender.
Yeah.
Pero naaday siya isa ka dim na light na na-L. Sukol. Aside from surrendering, mula banta mo sukol ta.
I think so. The letter L is level up.
Maybe,
Wow.
pwede level up.
You're so creative.
Diba?
I like
so,
that.
ka na ako ang gusto na.
Lagi ko, ana.
Kung ato magud i-treat tanan as Bisaya, suko. That's
Lagi, no?
hatred.
So ko, hatred.
That's negative. Pero we can actually change perspective on our own way lang. So, kato siya, sukol.
It's so nice. Sukol by Rams.
Diba? Suko or sukol.
Kisa kay, kinsay actor nga magdala sa ibang life.
Ano sila kanong? Daw ako si Jed Mandela, ma.
Yeah! So kabusis po nimo kaya siya.
Dili ko gakanta kayo.
Ay bitaw, mura kag si Jed.
Mo nga nila, mararo ko si Jed Madela.
Si Jed
Karon
na.
pa jud kay
Si Jed na slim. Kasi si Jed
medyo chubby.
So, I like that, Ram. So, daghanan akong na-learn dahil, no? Like the first 2 minutes of this podcast na ako na-learn personally. So, thank you for that, Rams. You're into editing and also you're into art, I know. So, I'm an avid fan of your mga videos. Honestly, the latest video ni mo katong murag ang spirito.
Wala akong damit!
Mga spirito, like, I think I played it 5 times.
Oo.
Tapos, sige kong katawa.
Oo.
Sige kong katawa. Alam ko nga, there's something. Like, you are, makita na ko siya, Rams. Murag kag someone nga naaga niya siya sa box. That you are nagasiga sa box but mahadlok ka nga mo out sa box. Unsa pinaka-weird nimo or funniest project kagihimo nimo ever since na you know the edit and you know the So
ano siya?
just for fun.
Just for fun is jud way back in college we have the practicum project.
Yes.
Tapos katong practicum project ana amo ang instructor si Ma'am Tinay Avila na she wants daw na anything na Christmas related.
Okay.
So ano ko, hala, unsaan man na Christmas related. So ako, nag-iisip ko to stand out. Kaya ana siya, mag-base daw ang grades dito.
Aray.
It is a parody of Annabelle. Katong Chaka
si Dal.
Oo. Annabelle. Tapos, ano ko, hala, gusto na ko i-parody tanan. Tapos, kami, ang akong groupmates, ang buhat.
Okay.
Tapos, it so happen na among natripan na bida, na classmate, ang iya name is Hana Buwal. So, siya ako ang gihimong Annabelle, tapos ang ending kay Annabelle, tapos nahimong Hana Buwal. So, which is, sounds like, tapos, maraming nasa sinihan. Kay naa siya, di ba sa sinihan kay before mo showing, na yung mga trailers.
Yes.
So, kato ang trailer among gibuhat. Tapos, ang amo ang showing na ato is, mga message sa amo ang instructor sa tibuok department about Christmas. So, mura na siya station ID sa ABS-CBN. In return, naganahan na mo teacher na murag wa siya kasabot na, ano sila hitabo? Pero it's creative and entertaining at the same time.
That's it. So, ladies and gents, mauni siya ang video.
John, wake up.
What's that?
Next door, I heard a scream.
Stay here. I'll go check it out.
John? Is everything all right?
Oh my God, you're covered in blood.
Go back inside. It's not mine. It's not. Go back inside and call an ambulance right now. Go!
I like your dolls.
You survived. You don't come out the other side of something like this weaker. What is there left to be scared of?
This is the last of them. How did that get in there? I swear I threw it out.
Things must have got mixed up. There, she fits right in. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. There are things happening that I can't explain.
We should talk to someone.
I don't think what you're experiencing is a ghost.
Sana. Well, grabe no? Like, full of kanang talent good or I don't know if it is a skill or a talent kung nasa imo ha. And I'm so happy na na-uncover na nimo at the early years.
Ako mag-relate when it comes to talent. Kaya anak man daw sila, if you're praying for a cake, if you're asking God for a cake, God will not give you a cake. He will give you a flour, an egg, a milk, a salt, a pinch of salt, a sugar, and it's up to you how you do
bake it.
O ikaw dyan mo buhat. So,
Ikaw mo adjust.
oo, kay if magulat ramang good ta without working. Marag wala ramang gihapon.
Yeah.
For me ha. For me
Tama
lang.
na, tama.
Oo.
I learn a lot. Dagan ko.
Diba?
Oo. So, I know na sa family ninyo, upat mo ka siblings.
Mm-mm.
So, you have 3 sisters.
Yes.
And then, ikaw lang ang boy sa family nimo. Let's bring, kanang mubalik ta.
Yes.
Mabalik ta sa mga pila ka years.
Sige.
So, I know that you lost your mom at the crucial time in your life. Crucial time. So, how did that moment change you? Nganong ginatawag siya nga crucial siya ang iyang pag-loss?
Crucial siya because anad manggod ta na everyday na atong mama.
Yes.
Diba? Like, all of us should anad. Then that time is crucial siya because mo pag-start sa pandemic. It's 1 month before the lockdown.
So that is February
February 3. Actually, di ko sure.
yeah,
February 3 or 2. Ana siya.
2020.
2020. Then my sister's wedding is scheduled on March 8.
On that year.
On that year.
Oh.
So, alam ni mama lahat na may kasal na magaganap. Pero yun lang, hindi na kinaya.
Your mom is, sakit ni mami?
Breast cancer stage. First diagnosis, breast cancer stage 2B. Yan talaga ang kanyang diagnosis. Tapos, pero
It was diagnosed year.
year 2017.
For sure, ang mga treatment na.
Naan.
So, na-diagnose siya second stage na.
Yes.
Or early stage pa.
Mahulog na siya na, kasi ang early stage daw, I heard stage 1.
Stage 1.
Then 2, 3, 4 are a bit late na daw.
So, unsay mga treatment?
Treatment is removal of the left breast. So, kato ang first. So,
And then chemo.
we believe na mangod na after the removal is, i-check pa di ay na siya to see if na yung mga bilin na cancer cells. Tapos pag-check, hala na agihapon. So, proceed for the chemotherapy session. So,
So, nahuman niya.
Nahuman niya ang 6 sessions. Tapos after that, radiotherapy, whatsoever.
Radiotherapy.
Oo, ana. Tapos that was the sad part kay maotong time na pag-graduate ko, April 1.
So, at this moment, I know that you are the second to the last. So, naapay college before sa imuha?
Yes.
Or tapos na tanan?
Ano siya, while na-diagnose siya ato, mao to ang pag-graduate ko.
Ako. So,
Mm-mm.
while on chemo si mami,
Mm-mm.
dahil ginabayaran. So,
Yes.
how was the bill? How was the,
Oo.
like,
So ano siya,
ang
bali,
finances ninyo that time?
we thought na ang iyahang savings is enough. Kasi di ba parang, ang isipon mo na to, naami-ani nga savings, kasing ani ang treatment. Kaya. Pero wala namo na overcome. Actually, siguro sa tanan, nga bills will still continue even if naana nga na challenges sa life.
So, natapos ang chemo niya. But, on February 2020, still, so wala ka survive si
Wala
mami.
ka survive sa because kumalat na daw.
O
Sa-
sa first feeling niya? Like
Ang
when the
first-
doctor announced to you that your mom passed away.
To be honest, wala ko sa ihang side when she passed away. Kasi she's in Surigao, I'm in Davao. Nitawag lang si Papa. Pero ang ihang pagtawag kay, dili siya ka ng straightforward. Pero gets mo na. Kasi sa likod ng tawag may umiiyak na. Tapos ang pagka-first approach ni Papa is, relax lang. Pero gets
Gets mo na.
gets ko na Tapos ano siya, parang automatic denial diretso na parang, siguro.
Is it a dream?
Oh, di man siguro. It was 10 p.m. I remember. After ako nag-late dinner, tumawag si Papa. Then after that, tumawag sisters ko na wala na ganito na, wala na si Mama ganyan. So, diretso abrupt, plano kami na mag-uwi kami. So my sister from Jensan traveled to Davao, pick upin kami, then Davao to Surigao na siya.
Graduating ka na time.
That time, hindi na ako graduating. It was my second year as a
Second
teacher.
year pa.
As a teacher.
As a teacher. Graduate ka na. Alright. When the first glimpse of your mom, naana siya sa coffin or asa siya sa casket ba siya? What's the feeling, Rams?
Ang feeling kay, dira na nimo ma-realize na she's really saying goodbye.
Yeah.
Jud,
This is the reality.
Oo, then that time ang good, murag, to be honest, I wanted to cry. Pero mas si cry man good ako, sister. Agaw niya ako spotlight.
Wala ang spotlight.
Sa iya, because siguro she is looking forward for the wedding. It's really hurtful sa ako ang sister. So ako po, instead of I will cry, I can also cry. So anak ko hala, instead of I will like celebrate, hindi ba siya celebrate? I will embrace the sadness why I can't be the mag-comfort sa akong sister. Kay dili jud lalim sa iya. Imagine in the wedding ba, you will expect that your mom gonna walk.
I know that feeling. Na ako, but, lahi. I don't know kung na-experience ni mo that there's a certain in your life that until now, nag-grief pa di ka.
Yes na.
So, unsa na siya nga mga moment niya?
It was the moment na ganing, I have to be honest, in the Catholic Church, di ba, we now offer the sign of peace. Di ba usually,
Sa Mass.
sa Mass, I always go in the Mass alone.
Okay.
Alam mo, Ma'am G, ginadelay na ko ang pag-peace sa front.
Why?
Because ang mga tao, di ba, peace sa front, automatic left and right, family nila, and couple. And ako, I'm alone.
Okay.
So I have to peace. Hinga, then
you
peace
wait.
here. Kasi pag mutan-am na ako diri, pasabot humanan sila og peace sa ilang family. Na
But there's a
ma-feel
catch na magkita ra gyapon mo sa imong katabi.
Yes, oo. So murag kana jud ma-feel na ko siya kay every time mag sign of peace kaluhaon ko.
Oh, until now.
Oo, kaluhaon ko pero it's more of kaluhaon na Lord, I know Mom is in your hands. So send my hi to her. Ana na.
I believe that there's no such thing as na-get over nimo.
Oo.
There's no such thing as na-get over nimo, like someone dear to you, especially a mother or a father, na wala na ko'y papa. But I think why we survived, why we surpassed that feeling, we are used to it.
Di tama. Ana sila na hindi daw tayo makamove on sa mga absence ng tao, but we try to live without them. Which is
So very crucial good, no? Kasi like,
crucial.
so how was the wedding of your sister?
Ang wedding sa ko sister, dito na mas naging emotional kasi meron palang inassign si mama na cousin niya na if hindi ko kaya or hindi ko maabutan, can you please be present to her? She's from Manila.
Okay, so
Oo.
siya ang nag-replace.
Siya ang nag-replace. And kamukha niya.
Oh.
Kamukha niya. So, aside sa kamukha niya, she's also a breast cancer survivor.
Oh.
So, andun talaga siya kay mama the whole journey. Tapos, binilin sa kanya. So, I also have a picture, to be honest, kasi that time, to be honest, wala akong pera.
Okay.
We have to give a gift to the couple. Sabi ko, shucks, wala akong pera.
So,
Paano
sa'yo,
to?
gift.
So, ang ginawa ko, I maximize the gift of talent na binigay ni Lord. Di ba? I'm an editor.
Yes.
Sabi ko, I have to edit something for my sister. So, it was an edit about how their story and her husband was built. So, mura siyang story na yung mga college pictures, paunsa sila nagkaila. Tapos, ang ending na part, nagibuhat na ako to at the backstage, na nakahila ko because I replaced the image of the acting mother na naong ni mama because same sila ng body build. So, of course, napagkita to siya sa LED, all of us were crying. Kasi alam ng mga tao na the month prior the wedding, namatay si mama. But we can't quit kasi the wedding. And then we consulted a lot of mga priest na okay lang yan, hindi yan sukob kasi both are sacred.
Wala
both
may
are
sukob sa
sacrament.
Bible.
Oo, ni mga anak magod na issue. But
Yeah.
I'm so happy na the priest embraces na,
Yes.
no, actually both are celebration.
Celebration of life.
Celebration of union.
Yes. O siya pinaka-difficult mong adjustment? Like, wala na si mama.
Mm-mm.
O siya mo ang difficult ng adjustment? Like, oh, okay, this is it. Ako na niya nabilin. Akong papa na adinha. So, I am contributor ko. So, unsa yung mga adjustment nimo?
Ang adjustment ato kay, especially after the, nawala si mama February 2, then wedding is March 8. Then the week after is lockdown.
Ay, grabe, yeah.
Grabe,
Oo.
tumor kita man tanan nag-suffer, no?
Kita.
So, ang adjustment ato is, the sad part there is, andun pala yung mga utang. Oo, ng mom ko. May mga utang siya, may mga properties na naisangla.
So, let's talk about that. So, paano nimo na-overcome to?
Siya, mahirap, lisod siya because kay naami everyday needs, pero napod ni tulubagon, murag ana siya. Pero ang imo gibuhat is we communicated with sa mga giutangan namo na to extend the term. Kasi we can't just say na wala kaming pera, hindi namin babayaran. So ang ginawa namin, communicate, extend the term.
Yes.
Nisugot naman po sila. That's when the time I stepped up na hindi lang basta tutor. Yun yung time na nagdo-draw ako, ma.
Yeah, actually, isa ko sa...
isa ka sa client. Si Extra Job ang naghinay-hinay og bill to bayad the utang.
I love that.
Mm-mm.
So, I'm so happy nga na ako ato.
Thank you. Thank you.
For
And also, thank you sa mga nag-support sa lahat.
Kasi
Actually,
name, gani atong
map yourself.
Map yourself.
Oo.
Like, until now, kung ginatutukan ako siya, ginaminute na ko siya, ano ba, ginakunsa kaya di siya. Like, it's pen lang yun siya.
oo.
Tapos, pero makuha siya, like, layo siya, as in naong yun.
Oo, pero
No?
pag sa dool kay
Sa doll, di mo kay,
kuris-kuris siyang
kuris.
tanan.
So, makaana ko, it takes someone special, ginawa, makabuhat, ani.
Oo.
I hope I can see you more canvas, anang ang mga damo
Oo,
kaayo.
pohon.
Murag wala na kakaroon.
Ano
niya
siya, to
ka?
be honest, dili siya ingon na akong gibilin, pero nahuman ang utang. That's the time I have to breathe in and breathe out. Maoto na time.
As a teacher, you teach children with special needs, right?
Mm.
So, one moment in your class na hatagi daw miog, ano that really melted your heart.
A gesture nga na really melted my heart is kana ganing ang usahay man good, to be honest, I have to be firm as a teacher.
Yes.
Na parang, oy, you work na. Stop playing. Mag-ana. Pero ang mga bata, murag mahadlok man na sila.
Oo.
At the end of the day, no, after the quarter, kay i-compliment ka sa parents, kay mo na sila teach. Kabalo baka ikaw yung favorite teacher. Kasi ako po kay, nga naman, marag hado, deserve ba na ako ng title? Kay sige makog firm sa iya, ano siya na, malingaw daw siya sa imuha teach, kay sige daw ka dalag paypay. Ala, ay bisag aircon, sige makog paypay.
Yeah.
O karon na may Jisoo Live.
Oh, Jisoo Live.
Sa una paypay pamanggod.
So, igangon ka.
Igangon
Warm-blooded.
Oo, so sige daw kog paypay, makatawa daw akong students.
Pero sa kadaghan mong tubuhi dito, Luan, why you choose mga bata?
Kasi ang mga bata, to be honest, for me, they can give you the genuine love and hug.
Actually.
I am a person talaga, sobrang makahug ako na person.
Hugger.
Huggest.
Huggest.
So, always ako nag-hug. So, 2019, meron akong gustong student. I'm a level 1 teacher. Tapos yung gusto kong student, baby. Sabi ko, oh my God, gusto ko siya maging student, pero oh my God, it takes 2 years.
Why? Unsay special niya?
Kasi I see him full of love, playful, innocence. So parang, oh my God, I want to play with that child. Gusto kong patawanin siya. Ganyan. I want him to hug me in return. Ana. Karon 2020 ng May, I resigned. Oo, kasi pandemic. So I have to resign. Sabi ko, hala, hindi ko na magiging. Alam mo, pagka-resign ko ng May, June ng last week, tumawag sa akin ng parent. Kasi, teach, naghanap kami ng tutor. Sino po yung anak nyo? Si ano po? Sabi ko, oh my God, it was the child na I've been looking forward.
So, exclusive ang class mo.
So, I go, so meron akong one-on-one play with him. Hala, si Lord lagi ang gumagawa ng paraan.
You're a good person, Rams, I believe.
Thank you. I mean, everyday battle.
Yes.
I'm trying to be good.
Talking about K-pop, so will you please explain to us, paano siya nag-start? And then, paano ni mo siya na-embrace, nagiganahan ka to the point, Rams, na I saw you nga na atong nag-attend kang concert. Like,
so, it was 2016. Student pa ako. Nakikinig na ako ng mga music.
Korean music. Okay.
Oo, so ang kilala ko lang ng BTS, Super Junior, EXO. Yun lang. 2020, yung pagkawala ng mama ko, ang K-pop ang sumalba. In a way, kasi always yung mga songs nila, for me, it uplifts me.
Okay.
So, yung Map Yourself, Davao, it was a title of a song. So, the title of the song is Map of the Soul, number 1. The second song is Love Yourself.
That's it.
So, kinumbine ko siya. Naging Map Yourself siya.
So, now we know.
Ngayon ko lang sinare. So, yun siya. Kasi yung dalawang song na yun, sobrang ganda ng meaning na to the extent na gawaan ko kaya ito ng mga anong project.
But there's something in the Korean that you really love sa mga artists.
I strongly believe na it doesn't need to be totally understood to love the song. Yeah. Kasi for me, it can be felt lang. Lately kasi hindi na puro meaningful songs. So more on the dancing na, more on celebrating life. Ang
feeling ba?
Ko. Pagkatapos ng 2022, my first concert was January 2023.
Sino yun?
Enhypen concert.
Okay.
So Enhypen concert sa Manila, sa Mawa Arena.
Grabe, no?
Oo. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, sobrang saya ko. To the extent na merong isang kanta na gusto ko, hindi ko na-record.
Sa sobrang excitement.
Hindi ko na-record kasi, alam mo, to be honest, sobrang iyak na ako.
Okay.
Tapos, alam mo, habang kumakanta sila, ang ginawa ko lang, nag-picture lang ako ng isa,
Oo.
then binaba ko ng cellphone ko, tapos enjoy ko ang moment.
Yeah.
Tapos, alam mo, anong sabi ko lang? Repeatedly, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord, thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Oh.
Yun lang, to be honest. Kasi parang, hindi ko na-afford. To be honest, the ticket.
Na-feel ko yung feeling ng
Diba?
magiging fan.
Oo, so, kasi yung amount kasi ng ticket, yun yung sweldo ko na ng isang buwan sa mga first jobs.
You invest in the memory box. So, I'm so happy for you that you have that moment. So, like, marami tayong hang-up sa life natin, but when you heal it with memory box, it will be, push positive siya.
Oo.
So, I'm sure yung mga K-pop na mga fans natin dyan, yung mga K-pop na followers natin, for sure, nakaka-relate kay Rams.
Yes.
But, there's a little scandal lately. So,
Ano yun?
Locally, sa social media natin, medyo, even ako, mangaway na ko.
Yes.
So, nganong ingani-ngani kay, grabe among support sa imo, rooting for you, Rams, because we saw that, like, grabe ka effort nimo, pag-start pa lang, you gonna attend this, contest.
Yes.
So, grabe good. Prepare ni mo na siya. Then you have the series. One word lang, sneakers. Okay.
Sneakers.
What happened, Bella?
What happened nga pa rin. So anyways, it started out with a contest.
Okay.
Contest talaga yun. Kasi kung raffle yun, hindi na sana ako super nag-effort.
Yes.
So contest yun, inaral ko yung mechanics. Ang nakalagay doon is parang the more creative you are, the more chances of winning. Tapos may selection panel. So sabi ko, oh my God. Siyempre, part of my bias si Mingyu, sabi ko, gusto kong mag-meet siya. Tapos, kung afford ko naman ang ticket na, let's say, around 15,000, why not ilaan ko siya dito sa production?
Yes.
Kasi, ang price naman is 5 days, 4 nights in Malaysia, at saka mamimit ko si Mingyu. Sabi ko, worth it naman siya.
Okay.
Sabi ko, gano'n. So, kaya nakapag-full prod ako. Yung full prod, to be honest, hindi gano'n kabongga dapat.
Bonggang-bongga yun.
Hindi dapat yun kabongga kasi parang plan B yun.
Alright?
Oh, plan B pa yun.
Plan
Kasi
B pa to?
kasi yung plan A, hindi dapat ganun yung location, yung production team, hindi Wonderworks. Tapos, it so happen na hindi natutuloy lahat. Si venue, hindi available. Okay. Yung original na mag-shoot ko na friend, hindi rin available. Sabi ko, hanap ako ng si Wonderworks, si Ate Yang. Thank you, Ate Yang. Nagtapa ako sa kanya, Ate Yang, pwede mo ko tulungan sa ganito? Sabi niya, ay, pwede. Ganito.
As in?
Kasi gusto niyang sumuport.
The huge venue.
Yung venue na ang problema ko. Sabi ko, saan ba ako ikakasal ba? So, naghanap ako ng venue. Of course, mahal pala. Tapos it so happen na may nakapag-share ako, may nakausap pala ako na sila pa yung may-ari ng
The View
Davao. So I shared her the interest of me wanting to rent out the place. Noon, sabi niya na, okay, pwede, you can have it Teacher Rams, kasi Teacher Rams sa tawag nila. Sabi ko, oh my God, sige, thank you. Tapos pagka-send ko sa kanya ng whole production, hindi niya in-expect na, whole production pala talaga. Kasi may pa-drone shot pa kami.
Yes. Pero you know what, Rams, like, me, rooting good ko. But what really disappointed me, ibalo ka, like, that company sa Philippines, wala sila nag-recognize.
Yeah.
Like, even like, okay, wow, naami isa ka entry diri nga murag, lahira siya, sir, this is not a raffle, but I want to flex this one. Kasi like, for me, Rams, naka-plus pag yun sila ato. Like,
yeah, they benefited me.
So, but I found out na lahi pa nga country. That's...
Yes, Sneakers Indonesia. Ang una talaga pumasok sa isip ko is, I really communicated with God. Sabi ko talaga, Lord, binigyan mo ko ng gift of resources, gift of talent, gift of people.
Yes.
For what? Para ma-fail ako. Yun talaga.
So you treat it as a failure.
Yeah, I treated it as a failure.
But what's the lesson behind that?
Baka there are more opportunities upcoming. Yun talaga. Kasi a lot of people, to be honest, na sobrang naging iconic pala yung character ng wedding. Weeks after nun, merong SM Cinema 17 concert sa cinema.
Okay.
So, sinihan siya.
Oo.
So, pumunta ako mag-isa lang. So, pagkapunta ko doon, madaming nakatingin na, familiar ka. Tapos ako naman, saan po? Ganun ako. Sabi niya, parang hindi yun ikaw eh. Babae yun eh. Sabi ko,
si Bride.
Oo, si Bride. Kilala nila si Bride, pero hindi nila kilala ako na as ako.
As ikaw.
So pagkasabi ko, ay oo, ako yung Mingyu Bride. Baka pala this is just parang an immersion.
Yes.
Immersion sa akin kasi baka masyado na akong serious sa buhay. Baka need ko ng pampasaya, which is that one. Kasi bumalik ako sa aking talent eh.
Pero feeling ako, one day, mag-contact si Mingyu sa'yo. Feeling
Sana
ko,
naman.
Rams.
Oo,
Like, I think,
hopefully.
nakita niya yun. And
Hopefully.
I think, makatawa ko.
Makatawa na lang
fun.
din ka.
Good ang imuhang sige. With everything that you juggle, no, nakita na ko, you have the grief, you have the, what I call, intentional ka. What keeps your heart full?
Oh my God. Grabe, no? Parang wala to sa mga ano, ha? Okay, what keeps my heart full? Number one is the things I do today gives me purpose talaga. The work as a financial advisor talaga ang nagbibigay sa akin ng purpose. Kasi parang I came to the moment in life na ano pa yung kaya kong gawin? Sa pagiging teacher, parang paulit-ulit na lang siya. So I need pampa-spice up. Which is yun pala. Tapos dun na nagtahi lahat, Miss G, na kaya pala ako may gift of talent sa editing. Ay, kaya pala napunta ako, kahit mass comm graduate ako, napunta ako doon sa teaching industry. Kasi pag natahi lahat.
Tapestry yan siya.
Oo, natahi lahat. Ngayon, sabi ko, ang pagkikipag-usap ko sa client, doon pala nakuha sa pagiging teacher.
Yes.
Yung video editing ko pala, na-apply ko pala sa pag-share ng mga stories, sa mga insurances, pagtuturo about knowledge about insurance, yun siya. Although, may mga hiccups naman talaga na, for example, may mga problema sa buhay.
Hindi yan
Hindi mawawala. Meron ding mga tao na on the next chapter of your life, mawawala.
Yeah.
Or
at may darating din.
May darating na bago, ganyan. So, what keeps me full is, God is always behind me.
That's it. That's
Lord? Nasa pala siya. God is...
What message would you give to other people? Like, they're listening now, that they are silent dreamers, like you. So, anong message mo sa kanila?
You have that dream. Diba? It's really up to you kasi if you will just keep dreaming or you get up on your bed and fulfill that dream. Kung ako nagdadasal ko, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng cake. Ang ibibigay ni Lord, hindi cake. Ang ibibigay niya is flour, eggs, milk, pinch of salt, sugar. Yun ibibigay niya.
And then it's up to you.
And it's up to you ano yung gagawin mo. So in my case naman, God gave me the gift of talent, people, and the gift of this humorous personality na nadala ko sa pagiging teaching ko, sa pagiging FA ko, at saka sa pagiging K-pop fan ko, which keeps me full in heart.
Grabe, Rams. I really love it. Like, after this soulful na talk, conversation, iba na ang tingin ko sa'yo.
Ano na? Bride na? Charing lang.
You're such a dreamer and I'm so happy. I have lots of lessons na na-learn ako. Like, I have to enjoy the moment of my life and you savor the gift that you have.
Yes.
Grabe,
like, imo dyan siya i-maximize.
Ano yung opinion mo sa pronouns?
Pronouns. Okay, so it's connected with pronouns and LGBT. Yes. I would prefer the he lang pa rin.
He.
Oo.
And Sir Rams.
Yeah, and Sir Rams or Kuya or ano lang, para for me, hindi ako super serious when it comes to gender. Kasi di ba tinatawag kitang mother?
Oo.
Nagtatawag akong momshi.
Oo.
Ganun yun. So it's really up to kung ano yung tingin mo sa akin. As long as it's hindi offensive.
Yeah, so manang imong opinion.
Oo. For me.
Yeah, that's it. This has been another episode of Ordinary Lives with Gigi, but it is with extraordinary person. After that, we knew the story. I know, ang daming nakaka-relate, ang daming na-blessed, and ang daming mga funny moments that really mas work, jud ka. Thank you so much, Rams. sabi nila, when you talk about favorite, wala na kayo hunahun pa.
That's the top of mind.
Wala kay lag.
Oo.
Alright! Favorite food?
Carbonara.
As in?
Oo. I love carbonara. Hindi wala ka?
Wala ko kay balo.
Ganahan ko carbonara. Nakanara po na kung kaya lutuin.
Pero you really love carbonara.
I really love.
Oh,
Pero
I
yung
understand.
carbonara na not the Italian legit carbonara. Gusto ko yung medyo Filipino.
Favorite color?
Blue.
Favorite Korean artist?
John Wonu.
So, kailan na?
Si Wonu talaga.
Favorite Filipino artist?
Tony Gonzaga.
Favorite song? Filipino.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
I love that also. Favorite English na song?
English song. Dalawang always ng favorite ko eh. Yung
Ano always
yung
yun?
first always kay Girl, you are to me.
Ah, yes!
The woman should be. And then the other one is
That's from
Atlantic Star.
Atlantic Star.
Then the second one is and I'll be there forever in the day.
Always. Ah, yes! Favorite perfume?
Oh my God, yung Jo Malone na Wood, Sage, and Salt. Tama ba?
Hingin natin yung kay Yang Yang. Yung may-ari ng Wonderworks.
Gusto ko yan.
Oo. Sige. Favorite cologne?
Yung sa bench na orange.
Orange.
Yung Heaven Sent. Ay, hindi yung Heaven Sent eh.
Basta yun.
Yung kay Willie Revillame na isang set. Ano yun? Basta
Kaya
yung
Willy,
orange.
nadamay ka diri.
Oo, yung kalimutan ko. Sobrang tagal yun. High school
As
na.
in, sige, favorite haplas.
Yung
Haplas.
Poise yan.
Poise
Oo,
yan.
yung Poise yan. Oo, yun
sige.
siya.
Dapat nakatatlo yan eh.
Oo.
So, Jo Malone, perfume ng bench na kang Willy
Willie
Revillame.
Revillame.
Poise yan.
Oo, yun.
Alright, sige. Favorite mortal person?
Mortal. I have to be honest, ma. Parang, baka unique to na answer. My old self.
Oh, I love that. Because, psychologically, you must first be a favorite ni mo self.
Ayoko naman maging self-centered, pero...
No, it's not about self-centered.
Mm-mm.
You should love yourself na mag-overflow ang love niya sa iyong self so that you can love
Give to
people.
others. Yes.
You
totoo
cannot
yan.
give what you do not have.
Yes.
Mm.
Tama. So yun, like, if may message ako to my older self, thank you for not giving up.
Yun
na.
ang next question ko eh. Yun na! Ano ba yan? So, Ross, thank you so much.
Thank you so
We
much,
know your
Wendy.
favorites and all. Thank you